Hi Simon, I'm in the middle of a session introducing Unity series, so I have to call you back. Hello guys, my name is Johan, welcome to Strands YouTube channel. I'm awfully stressed out today, I have a sales meeting coming up, but we need to squeeze in this unboxing video because I've been waiting so long to introduce to you the new Unity series, a full LED work light. It's amazing, and I have spent over a year with my team to develop this light. This is gonna knock the market out. Okay, let's start talking about the box. At Strands Lighting Division, we've always been caring about you, the driver, the worker, the commuter. For us, it's very important to not give you a brown box that is boring. For us, it's important to give you a feeling, to give you an idea of what you are and what you like. If you are a nerd like me on lighting, this is really important for you. It's the same if you like phones. You don't buy the iPhone purely because of the phone, also because of the box. For us, we try to give you the same feeling. We have a packaging that gives a really nice view. We have a non-edge Unity work light that follow the packaging all the way. On top of that, we use the backside to give the right information for what you need in installation, lumen, etc. And also, one of the most important things for us is feel the passion. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay guys, let's do some comparison. We're gonna see the Unity versus the market standard. Let's see what I have here. Oh. This is a classical 48 watt work light, around 2000 lumen. Many people write 3000 lumen, but it's the raw lumen. The actual lumen is around 2000. You see this light? It's kind of ugly, and the size is very big due to the lumen. This is what is existing on the market. This is the old news. Today I'm going to show you the comparison against Unity, the future. Here we got Unity, the middleman of the series. This is 64 watt and astonishing 5200 real lumen. Not raw, real. It was right, you hear me right, it's real lumen. Look at the size. It's smaller. Look at the front. This is have an edge. Oh, who likes edge nowadays? Have you had a phone with edge any year lately? No. This is no edge, full design. Designed to stand the harshest climate in the world. We are from Sweden. We designed for the toughest climate. The no edge gives you a better resistance against salt, dirt and shit, which is on a traditional lamp gets stuck inside this edge. They've also special designed the lens to give you the best output in the light beam. You have a smart function. The house is uniquely designed for Strands by my strong R&D team. Next up, a big important thing with work light is the endurance against water. On the standard version, you have a short cable with no DT connector on. On Unity series, of course, it comes with a DT. This DT gives you much better resistance. And also you can feel the cable just by touching it. It's a big difference in quality. All standards we use at the Strands Lighting Division are made to fit our 3 years function warranty, which is the broadest on the market. This light will not disappoint you. It's IP 69K. Because I'm Swedish, I cannot really speak English that well, but it's IP 69K and it's fully approved for the European standards. So, let's talk about the family. Unity comes in a family of 4 to give you the opportunity to mount them on all the needs, all standards. You know, if you have a truck, if you have a forklift, or if you have, for example, an excavator. But let's start with the small one. This is the little man of the family. It is little, but not less strong. You remember I talked about this one before? Yeah, this has 2000 about real lumen. This one has 2200 real lumen. You see the size difference? It's a big difference. So this is what Unity is about. It's about giving you something new that you have not seen on the market before, together with this blending design. Let's go on to the next one in line. Then we have this middleman. This is 5200 lumen. It's 1 out of 4 in the family of Unity. This Unity series will give you the best experience ever. So for example, again, if you have a truck, maybe perfect for the footstep, backwards. This one maybe has a reversing light on the side, gives you slightly more lumen, 5200 real lumen. To go on to the big brother here, the 7200 lumen. Now we're talking again. I'm gonna give you explanation again because my Swedish again fucks me up. So I'm gonna show you the story behind. Remember old one? You remember the size? This time 2200 real lumen or 2000 lumen. This 7200 real lumen. So again, this is what gives you the unity, a splendid amount of lumen to a super nice packaging. You see here, I'm again stressed out because I have the sales meeting coming up in a couple of minutes, but I will try to give you also the big brother of the family. It's 13,000 real lumen. You have never seen this before. Boom! This package gives you 13,000 real lumen. It has shock absorbers and it's extremely powerful. Okay, all you truck lovers out there, you must see the new Volvo, the Lounge on the tower. This is the Strands Tower of Unity. Perfect for your Volvo. The first questions I get from the Unity series is how can you make it so powerful in such a small package? The secret is our new patent heat control system for the PCB boards. What we do basically, we make the lamp smart. We have the Internet of Things, we have the Internet of Lamps. We make the lamp go really smart. Temperature control means that we can control and monitor the heat of the lamp. So when the lamp risk of overheat, we reduce the output of lumen. When the lamp has cooled off, we again raise the output of lumen. This gives you the absolutely best possibility to have the strongest lamp on the market. To learn more about the Unity series, if you're in Sweden, please go into strands.se. If you're outside, which many of our customers are, we have customers from Australia to Canada, please go into strandseurope.com to learn more about the Unity series, the performance, the design, everything you need to know. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and leave a comment. Thank you.